Hello, eBay. I have something pretty cool to show you today. This is the Disney Mickeytown Railroad. This is a train set and like town play set with a wind-up wooden train. We have all of the pieces here. We have all, let's see, 6, 7, 8 pieces of track. We have the Mickey shed that it runs through, the boarding platform, the ticket station with the bench on it, the railroad crossing sign on the back, the Chippendale Railroad crossing gate. We have the 3-piece train with the Mickey and Donald figures, and then we have Minnie back there in her car. And there's only one piece of this that is mechanical, and that is the train here. And if we wind it up clockwise, there it goes. It's a bit... It's a bit hard to judge how much to wind it. You can overwind it and you can underwind it. I sort of just underwinded it there. Underwound it. I think this is going to be a bit much. It can go very fast. Oh, that's about right. I have overwound it and like had it go way too fast and kind of jump off the track. But it's pretty cool you see it does hold a lot more tension than how it actually goes. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You don't need a battery or anything. You just have it go around the track like that. We have all the pieces here. I would say that they are all in good condition. I don't really see any issues apart from, it is about 30 years old. There's a little bit of like paint chipping, edge wear on the stickers, just standard stuff like that. The track and those kind of pieces are like just solid paint, so you're not going to notice much on that. You can get a close-up view here of the figures. And the box is, as it usually is with these things, the roughest part here. It's pretty far back from my camera. Let me see if I can grab it here. Oh. Okay. So we have, a few issues with the box. There's a little stain there. We got a little scrape line there. We have some tape, some older tape on the side, some wrinkles, some wear along the edges there, but overall not horrible, just not like perfect. And yeah, I believe that is about all I have to say about it. It comes with everything that you just saw. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for looking.